So good morning everyone. Today we are going to start the book work of civics chapter number first on equality. So you will have to raise the hand if you know the answer and you can directly write in the chat box also. So let's have a look at the book exercise. So here we go. Here we have the book exercise. First exercise is fill in the blanks. Equality literally means a process where the gap and difference dash. So if you know the answer, just raise hand or just write it down in the chat box. So here one response I have got, Aruhi Dadwal had written do not exist. Where the gap and difference do not exist. This is true. Niharika has written between two people is minimized. So we will write process where the gap and difference is minimized. Okay. So let's write it down here. Here I will write is minimized. Next. So equality means the difference between rich and poor is minimized or very low or very less. Economic equality refers to a condition where all the inhabitants are dash. Yes, anyone who want to answer this question can raise the hand or just write it down in the chat box. What is the meaning of economic equality? So economic equality refers to a condition where all the inhabitants are dash. Inhabitants means persons living in a particular area. In this case, you can see, say, in a particular country. So any guess you have if you don't know the answer? So here I have got Aruhi Dadwal has written are equally wealthy. So this is the true answer. Equally wealthy. Okay. Equally wealthy. Very good, Aruhi. Now next, third. Dash of the Constitution abolishes dash. Dash of the Constitution abolishes untouchability. What abolishes untouchability? The Constitution is consists of different dash. It consists of 395 dash. Any guess from this hint? Let's have a yes. Muskan have written it right. Article 17. Okay. So here it will come Article 17. So good Muskan. Article 17. Okay, so Article 17 of the Constitution abolishes untouchability. So now the practice of untouchability is a punishable offense. Okay. Next. Political equality means granting equal dash to all members. Yes, any guess? Come on, everyone, write down. Arvi Dadwal has written citizenship. So this citizenship will not come here. Yes. Any other person? Let's see. This Samya have written right. Niharika has written universal adult franchising. Okay, so you are near. You are close to the answer. So let me write the answer for you. So political equality means granting equal political rights to all. Okay. Political rights to all members. Okay. Now next is National Program of Nutritional Support to Primary Education is also known as. So yesterday we have discussed this in detail. Anyone guess? Yes. Aruhi Dadwal has written midday meal. So write it down midday meal. This is midday meal scheme. Also write scheme. Okay, midday meal scheme. Okay, so you all are responding very well. Now let's have a look at the true false. First is one of the worst manifestations of social inequality is the practice of untouchability which exists in our society even today. So let's see what we have got in the chat box. So Aruhi Dadwal has written false, Arpita false, and this Neha Dadwal, Arpita has written. Okay, the correct answer is true. Okay, this is true. So untouchability still exists in some parts of the country. Second is the midday meal scheme was first introduced in Tamil Nadu in 2001. Let's see what are the responses. Aruhi Muskan is saying yes. Abhinav Thakur is saying, Abhinav Singh saying false. Arpita false. Samya is saying true. Okay, so there is a, actually it's a false statement. Okay. Now why this is false? The state is right. Okay. State was Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu was the state actually where the midday meal scheme was introduced. But the year is wrong. Here the year is written wrong. So the year is 1960s. It was started in 1960s. So that's why it's a false statement. Otherwise the state is right. If they had only asked about state where the midday meal scheme was first started, then we would have ticked this as right or true statement. But now the year is wrong, so it's a false statement. Next is Article 14 of the Constitution abolishes untouchability and its practice in any form is not a punishable offense under the law. Samya has written false, Isha Thakur false, Sanchita true, Damanpreet false. So you are all right. You are guessing it right. This is here in this statement, two things are wrong. They have mentioned two things and both the things are wrong. So this is a false statement. The first thing is Article 14. Okay. So it is not Article 14 which abolishes untouchability. It is Article 17. The next thing which is wrong in this statement is that its practice in any form is not a punishable offense under the law. So this is again false because it is a punishable offense. ठीक है सजा मिलती है इसमें अगर कोई प्रैक्टिस करता है. Next fourth Economic equality does not mean that every individual will have the same amount of wealth. Is this statement true or false? Abhinav Singh says it's true. Arpita false. Damanpreet says true. Pratham Singh is saying true. Samya saying true. Isha saying false. Prachi Thakur saying it's true. So economic equality does not mean that every individual will have the same amount of wealth. Actually, it's a false statement. Okay, because economic equality means equal distribution of wealth. All are equally wealthy. Now the last one, the practice of caste system is more rigid in the urban areas. Okay, people follow it rigidly in urban areas, whereas it is less rigid in rural areas. It means in urban areas or in the cities, people follow the caste very strictly, and in rural areas, villages, the people do not follow it strictly. So let's see what are the responses from you. Sanchita saying false, Arpita saying false, Abhinav Singh saying false. This is Niharika saying it's a false statement. Muskan saying it's false. Paul Preet saying false. So you all are true. You all are guessing it right. So it's totally a false statement because in the cities there is somewhat less strictness regarding the caste. Okay. So now we will move on towards the question answers.